Hey there, fabulous souls! Ever felt like your body is playing a hormonal symphony during menopause? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hormones and harmony, balancing your body during menopause. So stick around because you won't want to miss the key to finding balance and embracing the beauty of this transformative journey. Let the harmony begin. Before we dive into the solutions, let's understand the natural process of menopause. Menopause is a normal, natural event that marks the end of a woman's reproductive years. It usually occurs in the late 40s or early 50s. During this time, hormonal fluctuations, especially a decline in estrogen, can lead to a variety of symptoms. Estrogen, the powerhouse behind the intricate dance of the female reproductive system, takes center stage in regulating the menstrual cycle and preparing the uterus for potential pregnancy. As women enter perimenopause, the precursor to the menopausal phase, estrogen levels embark on a roller coaster ride, leading to significant fluctuations. When menopause finally arrives, estrogen experiences a sharp decline, heralding the onset of distinctive symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and irregular menstrual patterns. While estrogen itself isn't directly obtainable from dietary sources, the realm of phytoestrogens comes into play. These compounds, found in various plant foods, mimic estrogen's actions in the body, offering a potential source of relief during menopause. One standout ally in this journey is soy, the nutritional powerhouse abundant in a specific type of phytoestrogen known as isoflavones. This includes a potential reduction in the risk of ischemic heart disease, improvements in blood cholesterol levels, and alleviation of bothersome hot flashes. Another noteworthy contender is flaxseed, renowned for its lignin content, a distinct type of phytoestrogen. While lignans exhibit both estrogenic and anti-estrogenic effects, they do so to a lesser extent than isoflavones in soy. Incorporating these phytoestrogen-rich foods into your diet may not only provide relief from menopausal symptoms, but also contribute to a decreased risk of associated conditions, adding a harmonious touch to this transformative phase of life. Insulin, a dietary influencer of paramount importance, is profoundly impacted by the foods you consume. Carbohydrates, when ingested, release glucose to the bloodstream, prompting the pancreas to release insulin. Acting like a transport system, insulin binds to glucose molecules, facilitating the journey to cells where they are utilized for energy. Conversely, glucagon, another pivotal pancreatic hormone, operates in opposition to insulin. During prolonged periods without food, the pancreas releases glucagon, signaling the liver to convert stored glycogen into glucose. The sugar is then released into the bloodstream, serving as an energy source until your next meal, an intricately designed feedback system to maintain stable blood sugar levels. However, the harmony of this system can be disrupted by insulin resistance. In this condition, despite normal insulin production, cells fail to respond adequately. Pancreas compensates by producing more insulin, leading to potential complications such as prediabetes or diabetes. Menopause introduces changes in the body composition, transitioning from gynoid or pear-shaped to an android or apple-shaped form. This shift, marked by the accumulation of abdominal fat, is associated with an increased risk of insulin resistance and diabetes. Cortisol, often known as a stress hormone, is secreted by your adrenal glands and plays a crucial role in the fight-or-flight response triggered during times of stress or perceived danger. While essential for survival, persistently elevated cortisol levels can lead to increased stress, elevated blood pressure, and the accumulation of visceral fat, contributing to an apple-shaped body during menopause, which is already marked by shifts in body fat composition. To manage cortisol levels, it's advisable to limit caffeine and alcohol intake, as both substances have been associated with mild increases in cortisol secretion. Taking this step can contribute to maintaining a healthier balance during the challenges of menopause. Maintaining a well-balanced diet is crucial for overall health at any life stage. It's essential to avoid excess calorie intake, which can lead to weight gain. Prioritize a diverse array of nutrient-rich foods, including vegetables, fruits, whole grains, low-fat dairy, and lean proteins. Minimize the consumption of junk foods high in processed sugar, saturated fats, trans fats, and sodium. For those navigating menopause, incorporating soy or flaxseed products may aid in symptom management, and reduce the risk of specific health conditions. Additionally, limiting alcohol and caffeine intake is advised. Simple adjustments to your dietary habits can potentially yield significant improvements in your overall health. And there you have it, our exploration of hormones and harmony during menopause. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, stay vibrant and embrace the beauty of every stage of life. Thank you for watching.